Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to integrate Gmail with Salesforce quickly and easily. First, log into Salesforce and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. Next, in the Quick Find search bar, type Gmail integration and sync and select it from the results. After that, enable the integration by toggling the switch next to Gmail integration to the on position. This activates the communication channel between Gmail and Salesforce. Now open the Chrome Web Store. Search for Salesforce Gmail integration or Salesforce extension. Click Add to Chrome and follow the installation prompts. To complete the setup, open Gmail in Chrome. You'll see a Salesforce sidebar on the right. Log into your Salesforce account through this sidebar and grant all required permissions. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.